After the Congress party and the AIDMK, the Bharatiya Janata Party is questioning the Stalin government. This is the TN-BJP chief raising suspicion over the encounter. Doubts basically that the accused fled and gunned down theory. There has been an encounter of the suspected killers who murdered the BSP chief, Armstrong. Now, Annamalai has reacted, demanding a thorough investigation into the encounter. Let's listen in to what is being said here as Pramod Madhav joins me for the latest on this. Pramod, just tell us what exactly has happened in this case, because after the death of or murder of Armstrong, there was some arrest, some encounter, and then a whole political showdown. Give us the timeline and why it is definitely becoming more disturbing.
Absolutely, Pooja. The initial murder itself was a huge shock to the state of Tamil Nadu, to the content of the way the brutal murder occurred, and we have actual footage of what exactly happened, how men surrounded and hacked Armstrong to death, and he was the BSP state chief for Tamil Nadu, who was killed on 5th of July. Since then, 11 men were arrested, of which two are very important. One was Punne Balu, and the other one was Thiruvengadam. He was also a history sheeter, involved in various murders, especially the one from 2015 of a person who was very close to Armstrong. His name was Tennarasu. And today morning, police claimed that he was being taken to various locations to find out exactly how they planned the murder as such. And that is when apparently Armstrong tried to escape. And when the police surrounded him, information is being given that he opened fire, and police had to retaliate for self-safety. And that is when Thiruvengadam was shot dead. But Annamalai claims that how come a person who has already surrendered attempted to escape from the police, and EPS is asking the question that his lawyers has informed him that if a murder accused is being taken to one location, his hands are supposed to be handcuffed. Why wasn't it done? These are the questions that are being raised by the opposition involving this particular encounter, Pooja.
All right, Pramod, keep tracking the latest on that. And there's been often an issue raised over these encounters, specifically turning into political showdowns. Pramod, thank you. And we'll come to you in just a short while.